friends, Miss Janet here from the Stouffville Library, and I have a STEM activity for you today. We are first going to read a book that will give you a little background, and then I'm going to challenge you to make some kind of a marble run. So I have a question for you. Have you ever been on a roller coaster? And did you like it? Was it fun? Was it scary? And I want you to think about a way that you could create something that has the maneuvers of a roller coaster. So it goes up and down and goes quickly around a bend. So I don't know if you can be creative. Get out some paper tubes, or maybe you have like a pool noodle, something that you would be able to allow a marble to go down, or maybe even a little car. Your choice, but I want you to be thinking of that as we read this book. This book is called Roller Coaster. It was written by Marla Frazee. That's how I'm going to say it. So Roller Coaster, and it was published by Harcourt. So I'm going to read it, and then I'll show you the pictures because that always makes it so interesting. So it starts off, it says, all of these people are waiting in line for the roller coaster. Have you ever gone somewhere where there's roller coasters and you get in the big long lineup and wait, or any ride actually? Most of them have ridden on lots of roller coasters. Some of them have only ridden on a roller coaster once or twice. At least one of them has never ridden on a roller coaster before, ever. So one of those people waiting in the line has never ever ridden on the roller coaster. The roller coaster is very big and very noisy. Be very brave to ride on a roller coaster. You must be tall enough to ride it, but sometimes even those who are tall enough, they decide they don't want to. Lots of people change their mind about riding the roller coaster at the very last minute. So these people are all lined up, and then somebody changes their mind saying, no thank you, I just thought about it again, no thanks. Finally, it's time to get into the cars, and the ride operator says, load them up, 2 to a seat. Oh, it looks like so much fun. When everyone is buckled in, the operator rings a bell, and then he releases the brake. The train jerks forward on the tracks. Now it is too late for anyone to change their mind. Oh my goodness, there they go. Too late to change your mind. But all these people, they're going to be brave. Slowly, the train is pulled up the hill by a chain. Clickety, 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 clackety. Up, up, up. There they go. And then, whoosh, most people scream. Some people can't make a sound, and one person can't even open her eyes. Down they go. Lickety split. Wow. The train zips. Oh my goodness, they're going so fast. It zooms. Oh my goodness. These people are brave. Some of them are scared. It dips and it dives. There it goes. What's it gonna do next? And goes all the way around. So people are upside down. Oh my goodness. Everybody's yelling, whee! Some even have their arms in the air. They are so brave. Way to go. And here they are. It says, now the ride is over. That was too fun. Most of these people are dizzy. Some of them have wobbly knees, but at least one of them is planning to ride the roller coaster again. Would you go line up again to have a second ride? This friend is brave. Lining up right now. Gonna go for an awesome second spin. Okay, so there's our book about roller coasters. So now your challenge is to find some paper tubes, or like I said, a pool noodle, and create something that goes down and maybe has some turns in it, and see how quickly a marble or a toy car, whatever you choose to use, how quickly it can go down. Does the marble or the car, does it stay on the track all the way down, or does it fall off? And how could you make your run better, faster, better? So I hope you have fun creating your own marble run or car run, and have fun, and I will see you soon.